Hello everyone, I am Shuite Tirtho. I am a PhD student at ACF and working under the supervision of Dr. Naveen. Today I will discuss about the data preparation steps for job accessibility. So this is our measure of effectiveness we considered in our study. Their property value changes to job accessibility, commuting time change, land use type change, and the changes to travel patterns for zero car households. So how can I define job accessibility? Job accessibility can be defined as the number of jobs accessible from a desired point. The employment data for the years 2011 to 2016 was drawn from American Community Survey. These data contains information on total employment of individual aged 20 through 64 years. These data were merged with Florida census tract file using the unique ID created by concatenating county and census tract IDs. And now let's discuss about the case area selection procedure. In our study, job accessibility was computed using accessible jobs within a particular driving distance. We used 10-minute drive time from our origin of Interwest as the appropriate threshold. The driving distance was computed using weekday peak period, and in our study, we considered 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Street network of Florida has been used to draw driving area for both driving time and driving distance. 2011 to 2016 street network of NAVStreet data was used in our study. So to estimate the driving time, we need speed limit of the corresponding street. Then we define a fixed speed for a street from the variable called speed category. In our network file, we have 8 speed categories, and we will select a fixed speed for a particular speed category. For example, if the speed category is 65 to 80 miles per hour, then we will consider the speed as 70 miles per hour for that particular speed category. So here is our route network shapefile, that is max speed. And if you open the data attribute for the max speed, you will find a speed category, and based on the speed category you have to create a speed column. Then you will also create a length column which indicate the length of the each link in miles. And once you have the speed and the length, you will be able to calculate the travel time for each of the links, and the unit will be in minutes. Then you have to create the road network. To create the road network, you have to use network analyst tool on ArcGIS, and you have to follow few steps. First of all, you have to go to Windows, then select catalog, and once you open the catalog, you will have to locate the road network shapefile. So this is the road network shapefile, that is max speed, and then you have to right click on the shapefile and you will find new road network dataset, and you have to select it and you have to follow a few of the steps, and the steps has been explained in details in workshop manual. And once you complete all of the steps, you will create the road network in ArcGIS, and finally you will find two new layers. First layer is the junction layer, and the second layer is the edge layer. And now you have to create the 10-minute driving distance from the network layer, and this is our final case area or the 10-minute driving area. So to create this, you have to follow few of the steps. First of all, you have to go to network analyst and then select new service area, and there will be a new layer named service area, and under that you will find facilities polygon lines. And first of all, you have to load the facilities. So you have to load location, and here you have to select the Sunrise stations and press OK. And once you have done that, you have to edit the property of the service area. So you need to go properties, and you have to provide the impedance. Impedance will be the minutes. Then you have to provide default break. You have to put 10 because we are interested in 10-minute driving distance. And then you have to provide the time of the day and the day of the week, and then you have to press OK. And then the 17 polygons will be here, and now you have to solve it. So you have to click the solve, and once it is solved, your case area will be prepared, and you need to export the layer, and the exported layer will be your case area. Now you have to select the control area. In our study, we selected 20 to 30-minute car driving time as our control threshold. The census tract located within this 10-minute threshold area were selected to be the candidate control. Here, the blue region is our control area. And the control area selection procedure is almost same as the case area. Here we have to put 20 and 30 minutes in default break option instead of 10 for case area. So when you will edit the properties of the service area, you will find that default breaks, and in case of case we provided 10 here, but here you have to provide 20 and 30, and just press OK. And the remaining steps will be exactly same as the case area. And now you have generated the case area and the control area, and then you have to calculate the job accessibility change, and that will follow the steps of the property value change we have discussed in our presentation. And for the other MOEs, the procedure will be same as the property value change. Just you have to prepare the data initially for those MOEs. And this is all about my presentation, and thank you everyone for listening to my presentation.